This is Onigiri Kingu. I'm going to do a Lightning Returns Final Fantasy XIII discussion. The game is set to be released in February 14th, 2014. In this discussion, I'll talk a little bit of story, and I've asked questions about what's happened and stuff on like that. But after I've written down the questions, because I have written down, I did a little research, and thanks to Final Fantasy Wikia, I basically answered all of my questions by myself by just reading it. So I will still say the questions in this video, but then I'll also kind of answer them too, because I've written them down. Now, if you guys played 13 and 13-2, you guys know the story. Now, one main point I really want to get out is that I think Square Enix should be really careful in telling the story, for this one, that kind of helps connect and help us understand this, what happened in 13 and 13-2 and how to connect and everything. Because 13 story is pretty simple, but in 13-2, from the beginning to the end, it kind of felt like the story was everywhere. It was so hard to understand the story. In 13, in the end, they fight the falsy orphan that controls everything in Cocoon. Orphan defeats everyone except Fang and Vanilla, like the only one standing. Orphan torments Vanille. Fang gets mad, turns Ragnarok. She gains control. They stop Ragnarok and Cocoon from falling. They become Crystal. After they become Crystal, Lightning and the gang were coming back home. But then the goddess XIII was trying to fight Chaos. So she made a miracle to make Lightning her servant. Now, the thing about XIII fighting Chaos, you don't really learn that until you beat 13-2. But even, because 13 doesn't say that at all. 13-2 is when, you learn this stuff. So, she made Lightning her servant, and she also unfroze Sarah and gave her the ability to see the future, just like Yule. Now, this miracle that XIII did, it actually caused a paradox. So, Lightning disappeared, and everyone thought that she also turned into Crystal, along with Vanille and Fang. But Sarah, seeing the vision, knew that wasn't actually happened, that Lightning was supposed to come home. And Noel, of course, who dropped Valhalla because he needed help, saw Lightning. So a lot should happen, and I won't really explain after that. Maybe in another video I really would explain it. Maybe I actually did explain it, but I'm not really going to go there and stuff. But after many trailers I saw, we see Noel, Snow are now evil. Fang is a group of some bandits. And there is some religious group trying to cause a war again. And also, Snow is the Lassie. Lassie. I can't say it's the LC. Lassie. I can't say, okay? And, maybe it's because Sarah died in the end of 13-2. That's what I presume to be the reason why he died, because I don't really know the example. And Lightning has to fight the Chaos. It's trapped the whole world and stuff, because the Chaos got released in 13-2 when Caius, who had a heart of XIII, died. Since he had a heart of XIII and he was stabbed in the heart, he died, and also killed XIII, the goddess, which released the Chaos from Valhalla. And in the trailers, I saw Lightning and Snow fighting each other. So either Lightning is going to smack some sense into Snow, or he might be actually killed. Also, I'm really happy because my favorite character, Vanille, is alive. She is free from crystal stasis, but she's protected by some religious group, which is creating a wall. I don't know why they're protecting Vanille, for what reason, why. And also I see, like, I hear that Hope is 14 years old again because he gave 13 years of life to a tree called Yggdrasil, like Yggdrasil, which is also like a save point or something in Lightning Returns. I really don't know. He might be actually B14, and the whole 13-2 was paradox. So when the paradox got cleared, real time came in, and so he's still 14, even though he was older than 32 or something like that. Another thing I hear is Lightning is now a human. But wait, why is she a human again? Because in 13-2, I think I remember them saying that she was a goddess, because when Etro created a miracle to make Lightning her servant, is that when Lightning is Etro's servant when Etro is alive, but when Etro is dead, Lightning has to take Etro's place, so Lightning becomes a goddess. Okay, and this is something about Lightning is not able to leave Valhalla at all, because she is a goddess now of Valhalla, and she's not supposed to leave. It's kind of like a curse. So I really want to understand is how am I able to play with Lightning Returns? I mean, with Lightning in Lightning Returns. Enough with the story and all that mumbo jumbo, which I kind of talked in no order at all. And I'll tell you what's happening so far, and so many questions that I've basically answered myself. Maybe in this video or next video. I will do it next video.